All right, parents. I know that we are getting down to the wire, and we are now in a point where we have to transition from practicing to implementing. And so, what I'd like to show y'all today is a regrouping exercise or example that I'm going to walk you through to show you how to help your scholars be able to add. Um, Two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. So let's get into it. All right, say for instance we have the problem 26 plus 33. Usually we would do long addition where you would just add the numbers and carry, but we have ran into some stumbling blocks where we're not retaining that information as well. So this is how I set it up for regrouping. So the first thing we're going to do, we're just going to draw our number lines, and we're going to label our groups. So I start out with the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, all the way to millions. So here's the first thing that our scholars should do. And this is just to help them get the right answer. So then I have any problem that you want to do. Let's say we do, like I said, 33 plus 52. One would think that we would be able to just get the answers like this, but seemingly we have a hard time doing this. So what I usually do is I break it down into a couple of different steps. So the first thing we're going to look at is our first number, 33. We see that that's ones and tens. Ones, tens. So I have 3 ones, 3 tens. Then I look at the number 52. I know in my ones place I have 2. In my tens place I have 5. So now that I have all of this here, I can now count it all together. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know now that my answer should be 85. Now let's take a hard one. Dealing with, maybe let's add a hundreds place and maybe even a thousands place. Let's see what happens when we do that. All right, so let's do, I'm gonna say 12, well, no, I'll do 127 and 55. I'm trying to find my answer. I'm gonna start with the top number, 127. I know that 7 is in my ones place, so I'm gonna draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 2 in my tens place, I'm gonna put 2. 1, 2. I have 1 in my hundred place, I'm gonna put 1. That's the first number, 127. Now I have 55. I see that I have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I also see that I have 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, here's where it gets a little wonky. Once I have 10 ones, I'm going to group them. So I'm going to circle 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This now becomes 110. I'm going to put this entire group over here. Now this is irrelevant. We don't need this anymore, because we put this same number in the tens place. Now I have 2 ones left. 1, 2. I'm going to count my tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I have 100. My answer is 182. And I could also check my work. 5 plus 7 is 12. 2, carry the 1, 7, 8. 1 plus 0, 1. I know that this is correct because my answers match. I know it's a lot of steps, but this is how we have to do it for retention purposes. If you all have any questions about any homework, please feel free to call me. I'm only a phone call or an email away, and I will get back to you within 24 to 48 hours.